Hey guys, I thought this would be a cool video to do. So I showed the other day the release of some praying mantises. And I said that I had several egg cases and I wasn't sure which ones hatched, which ones did not. This one's hatching as we speak. And you see what looks like frass, kind of like when a vine borer comes out. The same is true with that one. Oh, these are emerging. They are literally unfolding as we look. And this one may be hatching, or it may be already hatched. I don't know. You see the frass here. Let's turn this. So clearly the way it works is they chew a hole, and it looks like the frass of a vine borer, but of course these aren't vine borers, and they have to fight a little bit to get free, which is pretty darn cool if you ask me. This one does not look like it's hatched. This one does not look like it's hatched. Let's keeping an eye on these guys. It looks like their little feet are stuck in the frass, or they have to just uncurl more. Okay, this one is not hatched. This one is either hatching or they're all hatched. It feels like there's frass, there's a hole, but I don't know. Now let me get the others. Okay, keep. Okay, here's some. So all the rest, all of these, I don't see any frass. Actually, I have more in here. Sorry. All of these are not hatched yet. And neither are those. Okay, so these two are currently hatching. That one may be fully empty, or maybe not. It may still have some. It may be hatching. I don't know how rapidly. Oops, sorry little guys. You can kind of see they're climbing out. There must be a hole right under where that one at the top is. No phone. It may not go out of focus. So there they are hatching. There's some there. He's flexing his butt for the first time. And there's another. Let's see. Or no, actually that's this one's exoskeleton. That's what that is. This one just shed out of his exoskeleton. And this I think is old. Now let me look in the back. So if we look back in the bag, there's a few that must have just hatched that haven't come out of the bag yet. See if I can turn it in a way that you can see better. Okay, see there's a couple down there, and there's some skeletons from their shedding. He put two of them right here, and his little exoskeleton leg is coming off. And there's a honeybee. Let's follow the honeybee. There's a beautiful honeybee. He won't bother the praying mantis.